Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a little too much pink for me, but that's okay. You know why? Because today makes it halfway through 12 days of foundation hunt. Again, I think I'm trying a product from a brand where I don't think I've actually tried their makeup product, which given the brand that it is a little shocking. But if you guys want to see how this goes with me, then let's go. So this is the Ulta Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drops. It retails for $18, but it's on sale for $12 right now. For 1.1 fluid ounces, it comes in 26 shades, I believe, and I got it in the shade Deep Neutral. Fingers crossed, at least the sticker looks good. So we'll see how that goes. But what do they say about this foundation? Create a naturally perfected complexion with Ultra's Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drops. This weightless and light as air formula both blends and blurs for a youthful look. This silky formula contains skin perfecting ingredients that result in a luminous finish with light to buildable coverage. Marine botanicals, skin-loving algae promotes a youthful appearance. Coconut-based emollients help hydrate and replenish skin moisture. Optical diffusers blur skin imperfections for a flawless appearance. It sounds promising. I'm intrigued. But I heard some things that have me like, wait a minute, but let's see. How this goes. Directions: shake before use. Apply and blend using the Ulta Oval Foundation Brush. Okay. Start with 1 to 2 drops of foundation. Customize the level of coverage by adding more serum drops. Okay, so this is what the foundation. I like the packaging. The packaging looks like that Lancome serum. If you guys Gentrifique, that's what it's called. What? Anyway, but that's what it looks like. It's nice packaging. Okay, light as air texture. Buildable coverage, luminous finish, blurring effect. All right. Let's see what 1 to 2 drops is. That looks thick when you actually, okay, well, 1 to 2 drops isn't giving you anything, like legit anything. Y'all see something on my face? I don't even, when you can, there's product on there, so you should feel something wet on your face. I don't feel anything on my face at all. Okay, so this is the foundation on my face. This is legit probably 18 drops. Somewhere around there. I'm gonna go ahead, do my whole face so I can go for the day. And this is what our face is looking like today. Okay, it took some build. They were playing when they said just keep adding drops to build to the coverage that you want. It took some building, but okay. I feel like we got to a place of medium coverage for the foundation. So it is 11:03. I'm gonna go check in at midday, and I will see you guys back here later on tonight. Yeah, it is 3:09, and this is what my face is looking like. I'm actually kind of not surprised how my face is looking. There was something about the word luminous. I don't know, I've tried other things that say luminous and I'm like, okay, I still got hope, but I don't know, something in that phrasing of that description. I saw luminous, I was like, I don't know about this one, but I'm kind of not surprised by how my face is looking. But is it me, or does it seem it's just one side of my face that now the sun wants to come out? I was sitting here like, okay, is the sun gonna come out? I want to turn on this light. No, it doesn't want to come out. Now it wants to come out. But I feel like it's just one side of my face, but the oil is doing a lot, or maybe it's just how the light is hitting my face. I'm getting oily over here, yes, but look at this side of my face and then look at that side of my face. But yeah, we're getting a little doobie. We're getting, yeah, but there's a bright side to this. This is still cutesy, dewy, oily. How you make oily cute? I don't know, but it's not. Y'all know I've come back looking worse, so I'm gonna let it go a couple more hours. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, is it? We'll see. So I am back. It is 6:01, and this is what I'm looking like. Yeah, we can go ahead, call it a day. I'm already breaking down my face because my face already broke down. There's not much else left for it to do, but I already knew what time it was when I was reading that description. You could hear it in my voice, see it on my face. I already knew what this was going to look like by the end of the day. But something about those, do I have food on my lips again? again? Can we not? Anyway, there's something about those like half skincare, half makeup products that like my skin just rarely gels with, so I wasn't surprised. But this said that it was a weightless blend and blur for a youthful look, silky formula, skin perfecting ingredients that result in a luminous finish with light to buildable coverage. So, you know, it's called the Youthful Glow Serum Drop. It feels like, you know, the serum that you put on in the morning or at night during your skincare routine, legit like that. Just, you know, add some pigment to it that you're dropping on your face. I tried that NYX like custom drop thing years ago, right? I don't know why that video got as much traction as it did, but like in there it told you, you know, use 2 drops for this amount of coverage, use 4 drops for this amount of coverage, right? I didn't listen to that. Because it's like when you own something, like you're seeing it, right? You're seeing what the coverage looks like in real life. You already know that's not going to work. Like it's not going to do that. So I was doing the drop, like I customized my own ratio, I guess, in my head of how to put the drops on to actually get some type of coverage in there, right? And everyone was like, you're not doing it right. They said use this amount of drops to get this type of coverage, whatever. Okay, well, you buy it and then you see if it works when you do that, okay? But I wasn't going to waste my time when I was doing that, so that's why I applied it the way that I did. And with this one, like that, it's reminding me of that because like this is how you would have to apply this to get coverage on your face. Because if you did 2 drops of this, especially for your entire face, okay? Not a section of your face. I couldn't even see. I mean, y'all already know I can't really see that well to begin with, but I couldn't even see if there was product on my face when I started applying it on earlier today. Now imagine thinking you're gonna get 1 or 2 drops to cover your entire face. What was the point of putting makeup on at that point? If you use 2 drops of this to apply on your entire face, you could have just put some moisturizer on, put your mask on, go outside, call it a day. Those are my thoughts on the coverage. It's buildable, yes, but you're gonna be building for a while if you really want like full coverage. I feel like I got it to, you know, medium, borderline full coverage. But this is what I was talking about some of the other videos where I'm like, this is one of those products I don't think you would want a full coverage of this product. Again, with those like skincare makeup type products, they're usually meant so you can have a more, you know, no makeup type of look, or your skin but better, where your skin's like really gonna come through. This is one of those type of products. So I'm like why would you want a full face with this? But you're just gonna be drip dropping for a good minute before you get like a full coverage type of look on this. Luminous finish, yes. When I left for don't get me wrong, this looked great on the face when I left for the day. It has a luminous finish. It's giving you glow from within type of look when you first put this on. I used powder, I used setting spray, all that stuff, but like it still had a luminous, not even soft matte, luminous finish to it, which I think again is why I'm like, yeah, I kind of knew how today was going to go, but it's correct when it says that it gives you a luminous finish. Yeah, I think it's kind of obvious what the problem is here for me. It's not giving me glow from within anymore. It's giving me, y'all already know what it's giving, but like I said in check-in, I have had other days when I've come back before and I wasn't giving glow from within, but like my face was also, you know, like it looked like someone had been ice skating on my face or something like that, just sliding all over the place. It's still in place. I am very oily. I am very oily right now, and this side did catch up to this side as far as being oily. I see it now on both sides. But like it's still in place to an extent. We're trying to find the bright side here. Okay, so oil control, it's not there for me. It did say it blends and blurs. I do think it does that. I do think it blends and it blurs. It's pretty spot on because it didn't say it was gonna mattify your face. It didn't say it was gonna give. Did it say it was gonna give you oil control? Yeah, it didn't say it was gonna give you oil control. So it said it was luminous, which it is. It's silky, which it is. Blend and blur, which it does. What was the other thing? Luminous. What was the other thing that this said it was going to do? Weightless? Was that it? Yeah, I guess it said it was weightless. It is also weightless. So it's pretty spot on for what it claims that it's, okay, I thought that went off. For what it claims it's going to do, it's just, it's not doing it for my skin tone. I mean, my skin tone, my skin type, blot my face and see how that looks. Yeah, your girl was kind of oily, but I mean, like, after blotting, yeah, you still kind of see some of the oil, and I've had better blotting days with some of the other foundations, but it's not looking like it looked 2 minutes ago, okay? So again, trying to find the bright side. But yeah, I told y'all, I've been telling y'all it's going to remain that way, that I'm at a point where it's like, I'm not highly pressed to make you work for me. You know, like, these are the stuff that I use on a regular basis, and there are other foundations that are luminous, like the Armani Luminous Silk, like the NYX Born to Glow. These are glow luminous foundations that I have somehow managed to still make work on my skin type with the same product that I used on this one, and it didn't do that. So it's like, I'm not going the extra mile to make you work for me when I could just use those. But again, if you're someone, you know, oil isn't really a problem for you, and you go on Ulta's website, read the description, you're like, that description sounds like something that's for me. I'm telling you, it is pretty spot on for its description, and it didn't do anything that the description didn't say that it was going to do. It didn't do anything the description didn't say it was going to do. Didn't say anything the description, yeah, it didn't say anything the description didn't say it was gonna do. You know what? Y'all get what I'm trying to say, okay? Beautiful foundation, just not for me. Could I see myself using it again in the future? Probably, if it's like, I don't know, just a video where I'm gonna take the makeup off right after I do the video, not like a long wear type thing. Maybe, because it is a very nice finish of a foundation, but like, we're just gonna move on. Like, today didn't happen, okay? Because we've been going strong so far for 12 days of foundation hunt, and we're already halfway through. So I'm going to insert a flash test right here, and you know what time it is? It's time for a giveaway, okay? I forgot in yesterday's video to say what the question was, so I'm going to remember to do it right now. And today's question is, what is your favorite foundation? I feel like I should ask that question at least once in the next 12 days. So that is today's question, and of course, just be subscribed. Thumbs up this video and you are entered. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I'm also antsy right now because y'all know I get it's not the like product that I can feel on my face, but it's like, I don't know, can you feel yourself producing oily or getting oily, being oily? I don't know, I'm jittery for some type of reason, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So yeah, I hope seeing me test out this foundation has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.